Hello everyone, my name is Desmond, Senior Regional Product Manager for Epson Singapore. Thank you for choosing the ideal signage printer for your business webinar. Before we begin today's webinar, there are some house rules we would like you to take note of. All participants have been muted throughout the webinar session. If you have a question during the presentation, please type your questions using the Q&A option located right below. Our product specialist will answer you as soon as possible. If you encounter any technical difficulties, please get our attention using the raise hand option. This webinar will take about 40 minutes. Be reminded that attendees are to use your real names to confirm on your attendance. Do expect some lag in the video playback, but your local representatives will be sending you the video upon request. Finally, we would like to request you to participate in a short survey at the end of the session to improve your overall experience for our next webinar. Next, this will be the program agenda for today. Customers of Epson signage printers have always traditionally used them for large-size posters and visual merchandising. But about 2 years ago, the signage requirement has pivoted to a new kind: social distancing and customer safety-related messaging. At the beginning of the pandemic, you probably saw the tapes on the grocery store floor to guide shoppers down aisles. Now, when you walk into a grocery store, you probably see beautifully printed signage on the floor to remind you to keep your distance from other shoppers or wear your mask. These are some proof points that customers are now more aware of print requirements and what to look out for when ordering them. According to IDC recent press release I quote, IDC projects that the total investment in the industrial printer market will increase and will then impact the total market to keep growing in 2021. However, the market will not yet be able to go back to the level before the pandemic. On a good note, the demand for all segment markets under Industrial Printer Tracker will grow in the coming year due to the market recovery. End quote. With that note, Epson sees a positive outlook in the signage printing industry, and now it's the time for signage companies to find ways to diversify their business and reinvent their process from design through production. Today's businesses face unprecedented challenges. Epson offers a wide range of proven products that simplify addressing social distancing and customer safety related messaging to help your business to overcome these challenges. We have various solutions that make it easy, from creating static signage and dynamic video communication for safety protocols to disposable printing menus and personalized takeout labels. In today's webinar, I will cover the following pain points and explain how Epson can overcome this with our total solution offerings. 1. Managing with the increase in print volume. 2. Investing in the correct printer based on your needs. 3. Understanding the future of signage printing. There is no doubt that there is a surge in printing demand around the ASEAN region due to the requirement of signages, and customers usually look out for two critical points. 1. The turnaround time. 2. Long and lasting print quality. As such, printers will need to meet such requirements, and we have the solution for you. Epson has a comprehensive range of products suitable for various printing applications, and we have also classified them according to print volumes. For the low print volume customers, the S40670 and the S6670, which uses the 4-color Ultrachrome GS3 EcoSolvent inks, are ideal for you. If you need better print quality, the S8670 is an upgrade as it comes with a 10-color ink set for better print qualities. The additional red, light magenta, light black, orange, white and metallic silver inks will create more depth during prints. For the mid to high printing volume requirements, the S6670L and the S8670L are the ideal solution. The reason is simple: the bulk ink solution that contains up to 1.5 liters worth of ink. All these EcoSolvent printers can print up to 52.3 meters square per hour in 2 passes, achieving a fast turnaround time. The unique printhead layout using our Precision Core TFT printheads delivers stable and high quality images. The printhead guard ensures precise ink droplet placement by controlling the airflow over the platen. The printhead guard also prevents physical damage caused by jammed media, helping to decrease downtime and reducing the frequency of printhead replacement. As a result, it increases your productivity and turnaround time. To further meet the increase in print demand, the bulk ink solution on the S60670L and the S80670L is ideal for you. The front access ink drawers are made fast-free and straightforward for replacement. And most importantly, the ink packs are compact, making them simple for your replacement. And if you prefer something that lasts and print on a broader range of media, the R5030 and the R5030L is the machine just for you. Fueled by the Ultrachrome RS inks, they are weather and scratch resistant thanks to the resin ink technology. And for customers who require larger size printing, especially on different substrates such as wooden tables, glass doors, so on and so forth, the Epson's first UV flatbed printer, the V7000, is for you. Now that you have identified your print volume, it is now to determine your usage and application. To be able to achieve longer quality prints, the inks plays a big part. Especially for the safety signages installed under harsh weather conditions such as outdoors or in a busy shopping mall, you'll need prints that can last under such environmental factors. That is where the resin ink models like the R5030 and the R5030L is the one for you. Our water-based resin inks support wider media compatibility coupled with quick drying and high scratch durability prints, making it ideal for signages that require such performance. Alternatively, you can also consider the V7000 UV flatbed printer, which has good adhesion print qualities and support a broader range of signage applications. Have you ever wondered what goes behind our printers to provide our customers with reliable prints to upkeep productivity and maximize uptime, making every second count? In the next video, colleagues from our product development team will share with you more.
「生産性をアップさせたい」というお客様の意見を聞いた時に、印刷が早いプリンターっていうのが生産性の高いプリンターだって正直思ったんですけれども、実際お客様の現場でお客様の作業を見ていると、エラーを発生してお客様の作業を止めてしまうと、もう著しくその生産性を落としてしまうんですよね。例えばヘッドこすれであるとか、メディアのジャム、そういうダウンタイム、無駄な時間っていうのがやっぱなくさなきゃいけないと思いましたので、もうどんなメディアを持ってきてもメディアの搬送性においてはもうトラブルを発生しない、そういったプリンターを作ることが生産性を上げることになると思いました。世界各国からですね、数百種類のメディアを取り寄せて、それを実機にかけながら不具合を確認しながら品質を作り込みました。従来よりも径を大きくしてあります。いろんなメディアが入ってきてもメディアを搬送する精度が安定するんですよね。径が大きいと画像がですね、変に歪んでしまったりすると、画像と画像をタイリングと合わせた時にズレが生じてしまいますよね。その長さのばらつきを抑えるためにはメディアフィードローラーの径を太くすることが有効で、この太くすることによって厚みのばらつきの影響とかを受けにくくできるんですよね。そういった意味でこの径を太くするっていうのは有効な手段ですね。もう1枚打ったらそれがきちんと長さがきちんと出ていて、タイリングの作業もきちんともうそこで完了するっていうのがプリンターに望まれている機能だと思いました。プレッシャーローラーですけれども、メディアの全面きちんと抑えられるようにプレッシャーローラーをもう密に並べてます。でこれによってメディアにシワも 寄りにくくなっていますし、今回工夫したのはこのプレッシャーローラーの荷重を切り替えることによって、プレッシャーローラーがメディアを抑えることでメディアに傷をつけてしまう場合もあるんですけれども、荷重を変えられることによってメディアに傷をつけることなく精度よく、かつシワも発生しないようにプレッシャーローラーを密に並べるっていうのがポイントです。このメディアの搬送経路、閉じたキノコのようにちょっと角度を見直すことによってメディアにシワが寄りにくくなりましたし、例えばこの巻き取るユニット側でですね、メディアをちょっとずらしてセットしてしまった時とか、この下流側からシワが結構上流側に成長していく場面もあるんですけれども、そのシワが印字面まで成長しない、そういう形状に作り込むことによって搬送性を高めました。今回気を使ったのは、まずはこのフレームの強度、剛性を高めることでねじれにくくしました。仮にお客様のこのオフィスの床がですね、多少歪みがあっても、プリンターはぐらつくことはあっても自分自身はねじれていない状態、我々が期待しているプリンターの性能がもう 100% きちっと発揮できる状態に調整なく組み上げることができました。その早い、きれい、安心というところは、自信を持ってお勧めできるプリンターになったと思っています。
ドット抜け、それからホタ落ちと言われる印刷面にインクが落ちてしまうっていう点、それからもう1点が印字ムラ、この2点がお客様のご満意事の中で一番多かったところだと思います。一番支配的なのがメディアの付着しているゴミ毛羽、それから衣服の毛羽とかですね、空気中に舞っているホコリなどのゴミ毛羽によるドット抜けっていうのが主要因でした。でそこに対して常にプリントヘッドの表面をきれいな状態に保つという目的でファブリックワイパーを搭載するということを検討しました。プリントヘッドの周辺にヘッドガードと言われる突起をつけています。でその突起形状によってメディア表面のゴミ毛羽をキャッチするという機能を有してまして、そのヘッドガードを清掃する必要が発生しますけれども、プリンター自身が自動で清掃するということを可能にすることで、どのようなお客様でもいつでも安定した状態でプリントヘッド周辺がきれいな状態で印刷できるという状態を確保することを実現しました。ファブリックワイパー以外にもエアフィルターを搭載しておりまして、機内に発生したインクミストを回収するということで機内の汚れを低減するということを実現しています。お客様の不満の中にチューブ内でインクが沈降することで印字ムラが発生するというものがありました。インクを供給流路内、チューブ内で攪拌する方法について検討しました。複数の羽を持つインクフローレギュレーターをチューブの中に配置しまして、インクの印刷する時の流れ、インク自身が自然に混ざるというような構成にしました。進行速度の速い白と銀についてはポンプを用いて流路内を循環することで攪拌を行っています。印刷の前にテストをして進行の影響による印刷ムラが発生していないかというところを気にしなくてもプリンターに任せることで常にムラのない安定した出力ができるというふうに考えています。
On top of the mentioned performance of our printers, you will also need a total solution to help manage your jobs better too. The adoption of the Epson Cloud Solution Pod, a platform for cloud-based services, allows businesses greater control over your fleet of printers. With this, you can perform basic monitoring of your printers, such as checking on your printer's health status, finding out remaining ink levels, or quickly identifying any critical errors highlighted. This can be done with a simple and clear dashboard, drawing from usage data, providing insights to make critical business decisions to maximize productivity. Information like the number of printed jobs, printed area, operation rate, and any errors are all shown in real time. The production monitor will provide you with a better view of planning your production capacity by determining which printer to allocate to even out your ink usage and deliver better fleet management. And during these checks, you will also be alerted to ink levels running low so that you can better forecast and purchase your consumables from your service providers or dealers in advance. It will help you to prevent ink supply shortage, especially when printing an urgent job, maximizing productivity and minimizing downtime. Now, allow me to show you a short video of how the Epson Cloud Solution Port can benefit you.
Have you ever wondered how your business can improve your productivity by doing remote monitoring and basic management of your large format printers and commercial printers simultaneously? Introducing Epson Cloud Solution Port, a platform for cloud-based services that allow businesses greater control over your fleet of printers. Basic monitoring of your printers, such as checking your printer's health status, finding out remaining ink levels, or quickly identifying any critical errors highlighted, are possible. The production monitor identifies the most urgent actions required and helps you to correct and plan the issue efficiently, with minimal disruption to the print run. All of these can be done with a clear and simple dashboard, drawing from usage data, providing insights needed to make critical business decisions to maximize productivity. The report feature can be summarized for a specified time and display them graphically. This cloud-based platform also provides you with a faster turnaround time to minimize downtime in the unfortunate event of a printer fault. By establishing the remote connection with Epson, you can reach out to our Epson Help Desk, who provides support. Our customer service team can assist you through the basic troubleshooting and diagnostic with the collected information from the printer to isolate the issue. Enjoy a peace of mind with Epson's comprehensive range of warranty coverage, coupled with our experienced fleet of service engineers. Using the Epson Cloud Solution Port, our customer service staff can quickly and accurately inform our service engineers of the vital information collected from your printer to narrow down the fault before the on-site servicing. At Epson, we use service providers that meet global security standards and criteria. So, be rest assured that your data is safe with us. With the production monitor, you will get first-hand information when your printer ink or media are running low. It helps you to reach out to your dealer faster to purchase your supplies to avoid any downtime. You will no longer need to deal with the long lead time for the consumables to arrive, increasing your productivity and ensuring the continued availability of consumables. The Epson Cloud Solution Port mobile app is now available on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store for users on the go. This will enable you to grasp the state of the printers in the production site on your smart devices anytime, anywhere. In an ever-changing world, it is vital to stay connected and on top of your production schedule. With the secured Epson Cloud Solution Port, users can always enjoy stress-free printing while ensuring quality prints.
Earlier, you have seen how the different signage printers from Epson fit your print volumes. Next is to invest in a suitable machine based on your needs. Epson signage printers range supports a wide range of media from vinyl, banners to even canvas and many more. But what types of printers are precisely suitable for you? It is essential to know what you are buying the printer for and where will it be used. Here are some different classifications of signages. 1. Outdoor signs. 2. Indoor signs. 3. Persuasive signs. 4. Informational sign. Firstly, let's take a look at how our products will complement the different types of signages. These are examples of the most critical assets in an advertiser's toolbox. They are all about increasing exposure. Often, they will be placed right outside the physical location. Otherwise, they can be placed in strategic spots in the local area. Due to environmental factors such as weather, our SCR and V series will be the ideal solution for you. Our R series like the R5030 and R5030L that uses our Ultrachrome RS inks and the V7000 that uses the Ultrachrome UV inks is best fitted for such usage. These two types of inks can last up to approximately 3 years of weather durability without lamination based on ISO testing standards. However, note that these are subjected to different environmental factors such as display angle, ink duty, and type of media being used. Some good examples are A-frame sidewalk signs, which are lightweight and cost-effective. Besides, people love them because they can be moved around as easily as you want to grab attention of the passerbys. You can use indoor sign for a variety of purposes. They typically work best at a physical location. Many of them are aimed at informing potential customers about things. Other times, they are meant to advertise specific aspects of the business, such as a new product launch, and etc. One of the most popular signage products is banners. They don't go out of style. A vital benefit for this product is that they are low cost, yet they can be very valuable. Due to the low cost of investment required, the EcoSolvent series will be a good fit for such requirement. Our key model that you can consider is the S8670L. The machine can achieve a wider color gamut because of the unique red color ink. Primarily, when these signages are deployed for a period, the EcoSolvent series will provide you with the real bang for your buck. Because of the low cost of ink cartridges, your total investment cost is lower but not on the print quality. One of the most exciting uses of signage is to promote your business, service, or product. So many products are made primarily to do so. They are great at persuading your customers to engage with your company in some way. To retain the customer's attention and brand novelty, these signages usually have a high turnover. They will require printing onto different media types such as window graphics that uses vinyl or perforated vinyl with these images printed onto it. These signages usually come in different shapes and sizes too. And because of this, the unique heating technology on the R5030 and the R5030L, you can achieve higher color consistency. The preheater responsible for heating the media to ensure that ink sits onto the media, followed by the post-cure heater that helps evaporate the vapor from the ink, helps improve the durability and adhesion level of prints. Our platen heater emphasizes edge-to-edge color consistency with a stable temperature control regardless of the media types and sizes. Therefore, materials such as like the vinyl film or even backlids, they are compatible. The optimizer inks also ensure high quality prints even on textured and uneven surfaces. Above all, the ink is water-based and odorless. Therefore, you do not need to worry about installing the prints into sensitive environments such as like a shopping mall with high human traffic, hospitals, or even hotels. Remember that not all signages is meant for advertising. You need a platform to convey info too. This group includes things like wayfinders, directional signage, and menu boards are among other things. They will often be at places near your business. Often, these signages are needed to print onto non-traditional materials such as like a PVC board, wooden doors, glass, or even stainless steels at times. Thanks to 10 colors Ultrachrome UV ink set from the V7000, the instant drying process due to the UV light shining onto the materials are the best fit. Using UV printing will also expand more signage applications because why? It allows second surface printing, such as printing onto the back of a transparent material, giving the appearance more depth and added gloss. Also, because of the UV curing process, it has more extended durability when it comes to graphic printing. From packaging to door, tabletop printing, these are some of the applications you can now explore with more printing possibilities. This new technique has allowed companies to actually expand the products that they can offer to customers. While it has been mostly limited to paper, cards, and acrylics in the past, these new inks now can be printed directly onto metals, ceramic tiles without etching or expensive coating treatments. And absent, we see an opportunity in this. Our signage printers have helped many users pivot their businesses. Today, I'd like to introduce to all of you All Inclusive Ad Corporation. The following video will share how they have grown from a small to one of the leading digital large format printing and fabrication service providers in the Philippines, and why they have considered an Epson signage printer featuring the S60-670 to cope with the increasing demand for the jobs.
Yung nagsimula kami, dalawa lang kami ni Romel. Dalawa kami gumagawa ng lahat. Kami nagkakat, kami nagbubuhat, kami nagdi-deliver.
Nung nag-start kami sa negosyong ito, marami kaming naranasan ng mga challenges. Tulad ng yung makina namin maliit, hindi namin kaya yung volume ng order ng kliyente kasi focus namin is yung mga corporate companies. Kapag kang corporate companies ang kukunin mo, hindi ka maka-cope up sa printing requirements nila kasi maliit nga yung pang-print mo.
Dati yung nagsimula kami, mawala kami project ng 2 months. Tapos hanggang sa makakuha na namin isa-isa yung mga client namin, sobrang hirap. Pero ngayon, okay na. Nagbunga na yung paghihirap namin.
Alam mo naman labanan ngayon sa merkado, pagandahan at saka pabilisan. So, kailangan namin ng isang equipment na kailangan masiyahan yung kliyente at the same time, pababaan ng presyo. Ang sagot dito is yung Epson.
Malaki tulong yung Epson sa amin. Kasi yung Epson is siya yung workhorse namin. Halos siya na lang yung tumatakbo kasi nga sobrang bilis. Pagka-print niya, maganda yung quality. Yung print niya, waterproof and sunproof na rin. Kasi sa ibang makina, pagka-print nila, pag nabasa, kumakalat. So, kailangan mo pang i-laminate. So, yung Epson signage printer, all-in-one na.
In Epson, we believe that signage printing will remain a bright one. Other than the increase of safety messages signage in the market, we foresee that there will be an increase in demand for these 2 other sectors. 1. Novelty printing on goods and merchandise. 2. Sustainable printing packaging alongside associated ecosystem of workflow, substrates, and finishing. With the latest addition to our signage printer, the V7000, we hope to expand the applications from the run-of-the-mill billboards to creative packaging and even onto promotional goods such as handphone casing, tabletop printing, or customization of storefront doors. Not only does the V7000 print on a wider format media of a maximum print area, but it also prints sticker too. It reinvents what regular large format printers can offer, allowing businesses to print directly on a wide range of variety of substrates, which includes vinyl, textile, canvas, flume, and rigid substrates at 80 mm maximum media thickness. As you can see, the possibilities to create with V7000 is limitless. The flatbed design allows direct printing directly onto the merchandise, such as like corporate gifts, creating more lasting prints than a traditional silkscreen method. As the V7000 uses our latest Ultra Chrome UV inks, printing onto sustainable packaging materials are possible too, due to its instant drying and curing process. Advocating our sustainability goals, product details such as replacing traditional ink cartridges with ink pouches in our bulk ink models are examples where we can reduce land pollution and print more responsibly. Our Ultra Chrome RS and UV inks are water-based, and it contains less VOC, which means they are more eco-friendly and can be used in sensitive indoor locations such as like hospitals, schools, hotels, or even art museums. Epson's focus on sustainability, the water-based UV ink conform to industrial standards, with international safety accreditation such as like the Green Guard Gold certification, the AGBB and the A+ grading for the French VOC. Now, you can print with ease of mind. As you can see, adopting our signage printers open the doors to many possibilities. Allow me to summarize the talking points for today. Epson offers 3 different types of ink. 1. The Ultra Chrome GS inks for everyday usage and normal signage applications. 2. The Ultra Chrome RS inks for extra durability and more lasting prints, making it ideal for signage printing that are exposed to harsher weather conditions. And backlit tends to the instant drying and self-laminating finishing. 3. The Ultra Chrome UV inks for unique and non-traditional substrates such as wood, acrylic and glass. And most importantly, it comes with additional varnish inks, which actually makes it ideal for product packaging and unique signage applications. Based on your usage and volume and application, below is a summary of what kind of printer you should consider. If you want to find out more, do feel free to speak to us today. Before we end this session, we would like you to participate in a short survey by scanning the QR code on the screen. You will also be directed to a survey page upon exiting this webinar. This will allow us to improve your experience for our future webinars. Finally, on behalf of the Epson team, we would like to thank you for your time to attend this webinar. I hope to see all of you very soon. Take care and goodbye.